This is a 2005 Mustang drag car. This is a car that was totally built by our employees to compete at race day at Saskatoon International Raceway, which they did for many years. So we provided the car, and then they race tuned it, put it together, and as an employee group, they raced this car. And matter of fact, a lot of our employees had the opportunity to actually drag race this car themselves. So it was kind of an employee effort to build a cohesive team and to be a marker for the industry that we're in. And we're all about gasoline and fast cars and smoking tires and things like that. That's sort of where it all started. So that's what this car is, kind of fun. If we move along, this is a 1970 Mustang drag car. So what makes this car special is it's a two-door coupe that was raced in Winnipeg by a company called Stadium Ford. They were a Ford dealer. We have all the pictures of this when it was being raced by Stadium Ford. There was actually only 4 of these cars built by Ford Motor Company. It was a coupe design, it had a 429 engine, and it had a drag pack. So the drag pack, as we understand, there was only 4 of these cars ever built. And there was only 2 of these cars ever built with what they call a Detroit locker rear end. This is one of those 2 cars. So in terms of rarity, this is an extraordinarily rare Mustang. We had the opportunity to buy this car from a really good customer of ours from Winnipeg that decided one day he was going to sell it. We restore these cars so they're probably better than new, but exactly the way they rolled off the assembly line.